The Renault Kiger just got a whole lot more complicated, in the best way. 4 new variants, including the brand new Evolution Plus trim, push the lineup to 19 variants across 5 trims with 3 engines and 4 gearboxes. Pick wrong and you could either miss game-changing features or overspend by over 4.5 lakh rupees. In the next 9 minutes, we will decode every variant, every feature, and every rupee, so you drive home exactly the right Kiger. Let us start with powertrains, because your engine choice defines this car. Renault offers 2 versions of the same 1-liter, 3-cylinder petrol engine. First, the naturally aspirated energy which generates 72 PS power, 96 Nm of torque. It pairs with a 5-speed manual or Renault's easier 5-speed AMT. If running costs matter most, this is your engine. Then the turbo which generates 100 PS power and substantial 160 Nm of torque. With the Xtronic CVT, torque drops to 152 Nm but arrives earlier in the rev band. 0 to 100 takes about 11 seconds. Only the Emotion trim gets multi-sense drive modes, Eco, Normal, and Sport, altering steering, throttle, and CVT behavior. All variants are E20 compatible, carry a 40-liter tank, and ride on 205 mm of ground clearance. Renault Kiger is 3.99 meters long, 1.9 meters wide and 1.6 meters tall, with a 2,500 mm wheelbase. Renault's packaging delivers class-leading rear knee-room of 222 mm. Ground clearance is 205 mm regardless of variant, and boot space is 405 liters. Roof rails, from Techno onwards, carry 50 kilograms. But the real headline is safety. Every Kiger, from the 5,81,000 rupee Authentic to the 10,35,000 rupee Emotion, gets 6 airbags as standard. You also get ABS with EBD, Electronic Stability Program, traction control, hill start assist, tire pressure monitoring, reverse parking sensors, ISOFIX, impact sensing door unlock, speed sensing locks, 3-point belts for all passengers, and pedestrian protection, 21 features total. Renault hasn't skimped anywhere, and that deserves recognition. Let us look at trim-by-trim features. Starting with infotainment. The Authentic has no touchscreen, just basic audio. Evolution unlocks an 8-inch floating touchscreen with wired Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. From Evolution Plus upwards, that screen goes wireless. Automatic climate control arrives at Evolution Plus. Below that, it is manual AC. The Smart Access card with push-button start also debuts at Evolution Plus. On the outside, Authentic, Evolution, and Evolution Plus use halogen headlamps with LED DRLs. Techno introduces Renault's striking Triocta LED Pure Vision headlamps, a dramatic front-end transformation. Emotion adds auto headlamps and rain-sensing wipers to those LEDs wheels. Authentic through Evolution Plus ride on 16-inch steel wheels with Voyage covers. Techno upgrades to Discover Flex wheels. Emotion alone gets the 16-inch Evasion diamond cut alloys. Inside, Authentic and Evolution get black fabric, Evolution Plus and Techno, light embossed fabric, and Emotion, light leatherette, ventilated. That is a segment-first feature and a summer game-changer. The Emotion is also the only trim with the 360-degree camera, the 17.7 cm TFT instrument cluster with drive mode widgets, and multi-sense drive modes. Techno carves its niche with roof bars, power folding ORVMs, and a rear wiper with washer, none of which appear below it. Rear AC vents start at Evolution. Renault Kiger is available in 7 single-tone shades: Ice Cool White, Moonlight Silver, Stealth Black, Shadow Grey, Caspian Blue, Radiant Red, and the new Oasis Yellow. The Authentic gets only 3: White, silver, and black. Evolution adds shadow grey. From techno upwards, you unlock the full palette. Dual tone, with a mystery black roof, is exclusive to techno and emotion, and here is the best part, Renault charges no premium. Single-tone and dual-tone variants carry identical ex-showroom prices. Both trims offer dual-tone in Oasis Yellow, Shadow Grey, Radiant Red, and Ice Cool White. If color matters, especially the new yellow or a black roof, techno is your entry point. Now the prices, all 19 variants, ex-showroom Delhi. Starting with Energy MT, Authentic at 581, Evolution at 655, Evolution Plus at 699, Techno, Single and Dual Tone, at 755, Emotion, Single and Dual Tone, at 845. That is 6 variants. Energy AMT, Evolution at 699, Evolution Plus at 745, Techno, Single and Dual Tone, at 805. 4 AMT variants. Turbo Metricton, Evolution Plus at 789, the cheapest turbo-petrol SUV in the segment, period. Techno at 845. Emotion, Single and Dual Tone, at 935. 4 Turbo MT variants. Turbo CVT, Techno, Single and Dual Tone, at 935. Emotion, Single and Dual Tone, tops the range at 1035. 4 CVT variants. Total spread, about 4,54,000 rupees. Key takeaways, the Evolution Plus Turbo Metricton at 789 is an absolute steal, 100 PS, wireless smartphone replication, auto AC, and smart keyless entry under 8 lakhs. For the smooth CVT, entry is the Techno CVT at 935, no cheaper CVT exists. For ventilated seats, the TFT cluster, drive modes, auto headlamps, and the 360 camera, Emotion is your only path, at roughly a 1 lakh rupee premium over the equivalent Techno. All 19 prices are on screen now. Renault offers an approved retrofit kit for all manual energy variants, Authentic, Evolution, and Evolution Plus Metricton. It comes with a 3-year or 1 lakh kilometer warranty, with no RC endorsement needed. Not available on any turbo, so CNG locks you into the naturally aspirated engine with a manual warranty. Every Kiger gets 3 years or 1 lakh kilometers standard. Renault's service network is extensive, and the Renault Care program bundles service packages, online estimates, and insurance assistance. Factor these into your comparison against the Magnite, Punch, or Brezza. The Kiger's turbo and 6-airbag safety package may already justify the premium. The verdict. 19 variants, your pick depends on what you value. Pure budget, the Authentic MT at 581 gives you 6 airbags, 2 or 5 mm of ground clearance, and an honest city runabout, but no touchscreen, no rear AC vents, no auto climate control. Best value. The Evolution Plus MT at 699 is the new sweet spot, wireless smartphone replication, auto AC, and smart keyless entry in one package. Want that with an automatic? The Evolution AMT at the same 699 is equally compelling. Enthusiast on a budget, the Evolution Plus Turbo MT at 789 is the hidden gem, a 100 PS turbo engine with all the Evolution Plus convenience, under 8 lakhs. Cheapest turbo SUV in the segment. Style-conscious buyer, the Techno, especially the Turbo MT at 845 or CVT at 935 dual-tone, gives you those tri-octa LEDs, roof bars, power-fold mirrors, rear wiper, and a no-cost dual-tone roof without going full Emotion. No compromise flagship, the Emotion CVT Turbo dual-tone at 1035, ventilated leatherette seats, 360 camera, TFT cluster with drive mode animations, diamond-cut alloys, multi-sense, auto headlamps with rain-sensing wipers. It is the Kiger in its fullest expression. If this helped, hit like, drop questions in the comments, and subscribe for more detailed Indian car breakdowns. Drive safe.